Who doesn't want to build a brand? Increasing the value of the product that you produce will help you to generate more profit in your business and generate repeat sales. Here at Stahls, we specialize in helping you succeed in your apparel printing business. I'm excited to introduce our latest innovation for 2021, the Tagalong HP Platen. This platen is pretty special for what it does. It allows you to not only print the full front of a t-shirt, but also print a tagless transfer at the exact same time, literally improving the brand recognition of the garments that you produce for the same amount of time that you take to print the front of the shirt. It's really easy. Now, additionally to doing tagless transfers, this platen helps you to load your shirt straight, a challenge that many of us have. So let me show you how this works and talk to you a little bit about the products that you can order tagless transfers from. Let's head over to our Hotronix Auto Open Clam. One of the biggest benefits of the Hotronix heat presses are the quick change platens. If you look just underneath the lower platen area, there's a lever on every Hotronix press that you can unlock to remove the 16x20 platen. Now the Tagalong HP is compatible with the 16x20 machines, any of them in the Hotronix lineup. You unseat the 16x20 platen, drop in the Tagalong HP, making sure the tag printing area is towards the operator. Lock the lever into place and it's seated firmly into the press. One more key that I want to point out when you're utilizing the Tagalong HP platen is you need to have your press in its threadable design. That means if you have an AutoClam or a Stahls Max press, you need to add the heat press caddy or the counter caddy to the machine, because it's very important that we can split the shirt open to load it. If you're familiar with the Fusion or our Air Fusion or Dual Air Fusion machine, it's built threadable out of the box. So I'll split my garment open and I'm going to thread it onto the press. I've chosen to use a triple XL t-shirt here to show you how this works, because one of the biggest benefits of the platen is that it helps you to load the shirt straight. So you can see on larger shirts it's very tough to load straight, and so this part of the platen comes straight through the neck hole. You can make sure the shirt's straight, and that is going to allow for accuracy of the front print area. However, the biggest benefit, of course, is the ability to print the tagless labels at the same time. So to do that, you just grab the back of the shirt, you're going to pull it up through in this open area of the design. You're just going to slide it off of the back of the print pad that's on this tagless print area. You can see your collar's seated down in, so it's not getting any pressure, so you're not going to have any issues there. And this area is also nice and flat for printing. Very simple. Most of the garments in the industry have tearaway tags now, so you can just remove that from your shirt. I'll still want to conduct the preheat process to prepare both areas for printing, removing the moisture and wrinkles. And then I can position my front design with whatever transfer product I'm using. In this case, I'm just using a heat transfer vinyl transfer. It has a nice 16-inch wide by 15-inch high print area, so any full front design should just be fine. And then I'm going to grab my gang sheet of tagless transfers, look for my triple XL size, trim that from my sheet, and also for alignment, I'm just going to trim the edge real quick, and I'll be able to position that onto the garment. So you can see, very easy to grab and place. Keep in mind you're loading everything upside down and positioning upside down. We'll lock the heat press down for the time, temperature, and pressure. For the front design, the tagless transfer will apply, and it's awesome. You're adding this extra branding location in half of the time that it normally takes. Once your press opens, you can peel the backing of your tag and also your front transfer to reveal your completed result. Let's take a look at that process one more time. To unseat this, you're just going to pull it back and then just drop it down over. It's very easy to slide on and off with the design that already has the non-stick cover around the platen. It comes just like that. Let's load one more style of shirt and show you how it works with glitter. So a lot of people will use these with heat transfer vinyl, with screen printed transfers, really with any print process that's out there. You just load it on, pull it back to get to this print area, rip away the tags that are in the garment. In this case, I'm looking for a large tag, and we're ready to print. So let's pick a white tag since this garment is gray. I'm trimming out the large tag. One of the applications that this also works for is direct-to-garment printing. So think about when you are curing the pre-treat. A lot of times when you're curing the pre-treat, that's the perfect time to be able to print the tagless transfer. So a lot of the transfer technologies that are out there are being developed so they have flexible application temperatures and times. So being able to print the front, print the tag at the same time is really going to improve the efficiency in the business. Let's go over some final details over at the table. So this is the Tagalong HP Platinum. It gives you efficiency when you're trying to do custom branding on your apparel. It really provides the opportunity to do this easily and quickly, and it helps you to load your garment straight. Quite the innovation, if you ask me. As you might expect, this is a patented design. This is something that you can invest in right now. We're taking pre-orders depending on when you're watching this video, and we'll be shipping the units in February 2021, early in the month. So, happy heat printing, start branding your apparel with Stahls'. Thanks for watching.